go, champ! Let's go, champ! Let's go, champ! Yeah! Yeah! What's up? Let's go!
What's up, Mikey? I'm not the big asshole you think I am, but I do like to motivate people when it comes time. And I gotta tell you, big dog, you used to do really good with your workouts, and I'm rooting for you, bro. As somebody who lost 200 pounds, I was rooting for you big time, man. As you can see, I still eat what I want, but I also come here to my fitness center all the time, and I absolutely crush it every day. So I can eat normal stuff like everybody else, pizza, stuff my face, but when I'm done, I come here and I absolutely crush out the carbs. So, time to motivate you a little bit, man. You used to do really good with your workouts, Philly. I think you can again. I think I can help you with a few techniques and tendencies that you can get yourself into, especially at your house. All you really need is a wall to push off of, countertops, stuff like that. When it comes to being a big person, it's not so much about tons of cardio, which I see that you constantly do. You think that walking is going to be the big weight loss thing, and really what it comes down to, man, is fasting. You know, you can fast for a week, dude, eat nothing but water and a banana if you're feeling hungry, and you'll be just fine. After that week, slowly introduce food back in, your metabolism will shrink, you won't feel like you're as hungry all the time, you'll eat less food, it'll be much easier to start working out, you'll start dropping the pounds really quickly. Tons and tons and tons and tons of water, my dude. I cannot stress that enough. Lots of water. So today, I'm gonna show you a few little things you can do at your house. Definitely help you get some arm strength back, upper body, torso, stuff like that. I think you walk around enough. I've seen you walk on the treadmill enough that I know that you can do those things. We'll do a little leg stuff later on today. I'm gonna teach you upper body, torso stuff. I crush it, dude. I'm telling you right now, if you've seen my physique, I am a radically different person. I am built like a fucking tank now, dude, and I kind of want to transition some of that off to you. So it's my favorite place to come when I just want to use my body weight to work out, because I mean, dude, I'm 220 pounds now. Right, I went from 420 pounds to 220 pounds. I lost 200 pounds, bro. So, way I did a lot of it was coming over here to this wonderful little gym setup and starting with bars, things like that. If you got a playground near you, hit it. Trust me. So, we're gonna start with a few little simple ones, man. We're gonna use our body weight because honestly, dude, when you're really, really heavy, that's all you need is your own body weight to actually do a good workout. You don't need to go hit a gym. You don't need to go crush weights. You don't need to hit free weights. You don't need to do any of that stuff, man. You have enough mass that you can do some proper body stuff. So, favorite one is to come over here, lean back into it, tilt your body, get a little stretch in first. Make sure you're nice and loose before you really go crazy. Adjust your rotator cuffs a bit, push up on the bar, get a few good stretches in there, let your body weight hang on it. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your legs as far forward as you can to where you're supporting your whole body mass with just your arms, okay? So we're gonna push our legs forward, and we're gonna come back like this. This is a really good spot. Get your arms spread apart, shoulder, and then we're gonna pull up until the face meets the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a good place to start, especially if you're just getting into it, man, is to do 10. I try to knock out 15, 3 sets of 15, and then I move on to the next one. We go from there, but tonight's just kind of showing you a lot of the stuff and routine that I go through. Build shoulder strength, triceps, biceps, traps. This is different. If you want to do this, you got to do push-ups. If you want that bulk mastermeister, you want those big crushed diesels, you got to do it the other way. Now, I don't know if you're ready for this, and you don't have to lean as far back into it, but ideally we want to do one arm. It's a lot more work, but you're not leaning as far back into it. Now, I have to be careful of this because I have shoulder damage, but this is working out my entire chest area right here. I feel it all right here. I can feel how tight this got. This is just super tight, man. We try to do the same thing, 10 of those. Same thing, switch arms. Do the other side. Just keep an arm here so that you can keep a good tensile strength on the bar and you're not going to tear anything. So just keep a good pressure down, right? That's it. You're just going to try to knock out 5 of those. So you're going to do what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 sets of 5, and go from there, okay? When you're done with that, we switch over to this guy here. All right, this is where we start getting into pushing instead of pulling. It's where you're gonna test your rotator cuff, find out what you're made of. So we're gonna do the same thing over there, just backwards, and we're gonna do it towards the bar instead of into the bar, right? So we're going down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're gonna do another 3 sets of those. So whatever you think you can muster. You start getting tired, arms start feeling like rubber, cut it back a little bit until you can properly do each one same way. Come up on the bar. The more comfortable you get, the more your feet go back, the more you push into it. This is prepping you for push-ups, man, right? But you're using all of your body's weight to do the workout, so you don't have to go into a gym, right? Trust me, man, you and me, we had plenty of mass to work with. We don't need to go crazy, you know what I'm saying? This is my least favorite one, I promise you. This is my least favorite one. However, move this up just a little bit. Yep, right there. I say this is my least favorite one because this is the one that takes the most energy. Even though you're doing the least amount of work, this one takes the most amount of energy, right? Give me 1 sec, man. As I've been making the video, I've been doing the reps. So what we're gonna do is cross our legs on this, and Mikey, you're gonna try to hold yourself up for 10 seconds if possible, right? And I will do 3 sets of this if I can. Really rough on your shoulders. I don't think you're ready for this, but if you think you can knock it out, bro, I say go for it, right? So just gonna get your arms up, good spot. We're gonna just lift our legs, that's it. We're not gonna pull ourselves up, we're not gonna do anything. You're just gonna use your body weight to carry you. Try to count out 10 seconds. That one's a little rougher, because it's working your whole ab core. Now, though I can't do dips, I do shuffle, right? I don't think you can do these yet either. This is something you'll have to work up to with the first set of exercises. I don't do dips just because it's really bad on my torn rotator cuff I already have, but I will do shuffle shoulder. So if you get yourself worked up to the point where you think you can do this, give it a go. I'm gonna sling 220 pounds across this bar, man, by shuffling. Turn around, go back. If that's something you think you can do, Mikey, go for it. I say wait a little bit, get your arm strength up, get your core strength up, then give it a go.
If the lion is the king of the jungle, how can he be the king of the jungle? If he's not the biggest, the elephant is probably one of the biggest. He can't be the fastest because that's a cheetah. He can't be the smartest. So he's not the biggest, the fastest, or the smartest. So how does a lion become the king of the jungle? His mentality. That's the only difference of a lion and an elephant. When a lion walks up and sees an elephant, he thinks lunch. An elephant thinks run. And it's all mentality. Because when a male lion walks up, he may be outnumbered by a pack of hyenas, but I'm king of my jungle because of my mentality.
What happens when you're a gazelle and you're not being pushed? You're not being prodded. You're not given a reward. Nobody's encouraging you. What happens when you're a gazelle and the lion's not chasing you anymore? You stop running. But what happens when you're a lion? When you are a lion, it does not make a difference. You realize that if your family is going to eat, that if that pack of lions is to survive, then you gotta go hunt. A part of being a beast just ain't eating a gazelle. A part of being a beast is the hunt. It's the hunt that they're excited about. They like to see the gazelles run. Then boom, they take off. Because real lions like to hunt. They love the process just as much as they love the prize. And some of y'all just want to score. You don't like the process. You're not in love with the process. A true hunter's goal is not the prize. A true hunter's goal is to hunt. That's what they live for. They live to hunt. They don't just live to catch it. It's the whole process. When you are a true hunter, you don't go by time, you go by the gazelle. When you are a true hunter, you hunt until you get a gazelle, and you don't stop until you get one. And then you get another, and then you get another, and you get another. If you're gonna do what you say you're gonna do, be what you say you're gonna be, you're gonna have to lion me out. You a gazelle, you gonna come up short. You a gazelle, you gonna have an average experience. You a student, I need you in lion mode. You an entrepreneur, I need you in lion mode. You trying to lose weight, lion mode. You can't do nothing significant in gazelle mode, nothing. Nothing impressive happens in gazelle mode. Nothing happens in run mode, give up mode, quit mode, scared mode, fearful mode, nothing happens. Everything happens in lion mode like I'm coming to get you.